love this. My name is Siannise Fudge and you may know me from Love Island. So I started doing my own nails in lockdown. You know, I could not walk around with no nail art on or no colour. So I did just try and just push myself out of my comfort zone in lockdown. And I just love it because it's making me more creative. I first heard about Mylee just on social media. I'd seen people using the products. Obviously because it is a at-home nail kit. I saw a lot of people doing them in lockdown, and what caught my eye was the colours. So I've chosen a variety of different colours to get me started. I'm so excited for this. This is one of my favourite colours. So this is called Margarita. I mean, I think it's a neon green, but a lot of fans think it's neon yellow. So I'm excited to see what you guys think. As you guys know, I absolutely love my nudes. So this one is caramel and this one is cozy nights. Absolutely love the shades of these colours and they're gonna look absolutely fab. Mylee also sent me the full works kit too. So it comes with literally everything that you need to do your nails at home, and they come in some really cool colours. This one here I really love, which is a sparkly one called Gold Digger. So it's good for any occasion, whether it's Christmas parties or birthdays, and if you just want to get creative. So yeah, I'm all kitted out now and I cannot wait to get started. So Mylee have surprised me with a few extra gifts, which I'm super excited for. I absolutely love presents. So let's see what they've bought me. Hand and nail kit, absolutely love that. That is absolutely perfect for me doing my hands at home, my nails, everything that I need for beautiful hands. I'm all about that. Oh, love that. Oh, some nail art stickers. So my goal is to start getting creative and not just do the same old nude all the time. So this is absolutely perfect. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, guys, this is my absolute fave Builder Gel, 5-in-1 Builder Gel. Guys, if you've not used Builder Gel before, this will absolutely change your life. Do you know what? I got recommended Builder Gel going back a few months ago and I've never heard of it before. I thought, what is this? But I just found it made my nails grow so quickly. And for me, being somebody that has always bit my nails, I'm really trying to stop. But I used this literally once or twice and my nails were so much stronger. They didn't break as much. And yeah, they just felt a lot more healthier. They looked healthier. And I think especially from having acrylics on too, you know, it's very damaging to the nail. So this was perfect. And yeah, it just made them a lot stronger, which I absolutely loved. So now I'm all ready to go. I'm gonna start my nails at home for the first time, so stay tuned. So guys, I am really struggling on which design to go for today. As it's my first time, I wanna go for something that's realistic, but it still looks really cool. So I'm just on the Mylee Instagram page, just having a look at all the designs. There's so many amazing designs. I am spoiled for choice. I really like the negative space, and this one is by Ruby Nails It on Instagram. This is really cute. And I also found one which is a half French tip, and that's by She Filed It on Instagram. They're both so cute and there's so many to choose from. So the design that I've decided to go for is the French half tip. So I'm just choosing the colours now. As you guys know, this is probably the worst and hardest bit because I love them all. But I am stuck between these three colours. So we've got Margarita, we've got Lemonade, and we've got Lemon Squeeze. Absolutely love all three of these colours. And of course, I'm going to use the Builder Gel, and this one is in Peach. But I want you guys to let me know, out of the three colours, I want you to let me know which one is your favourite. So first of all, we've got to prepare the lamp. So I'm gonna let you into a little top tip because a lot of people forget to do this, but you have to peel off the whole sticker, not just this bit. And voila. So first of all, we're gonna prep the nails because the secret to having good nails is all in the prep. So we've got the buffing block. So we've got the nail file, we've got the cuticle sticks. Now in cuticle oil, I love this. Cuticle remover, and we've got some hand cream. So basically we've got literally everything that you need to do your nails at home. So my hands are all prepped and they're ready to go. If you do need to sort out your cuticles, this is absolutely perfect for it, cuticle remover. I have got a few chips in my nails, so I'm going to use the crystal nail file just to shape them out a little bit. I've just finished filing my nails, so now I'm going to prep the nail plate with the buffer block. So all you want to do is lightly rough up the nail. You don't want to do it too much because you don't want to thin out the nail too much. And then that way it just gives the nail polish something to stick to. So now I'm just going to use the Nail and Prep polish wipe just to get off any dust from the nail filing and just to clean the nail plate. Oh, that feels lovely. First of all, I'm going to go with the base coat. So now I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. So now the base coat is done, I'm going to go in with the Peach Builder Gel. And now I'm going to cure again for 30 seconds. So I'm going to add a few more layers of the Builder Gel just to create the thickness and the strength, just because my nails are a little bit brittle, so I want to make them stronger. So now this is the fun bit. I am going in with the colours. So first of all, I'm going to go in with the shade Lemonade. So Mylee has given me a really good tip to do this nail art. So I'm basically using my thumb to pull the skin down so I can really get to the edge of the nail. Now I'm going to cure for another 30 seconds. So I'm going to add a few more layers just to make it super pigmented and to make my manicure last as long as possible. So now I'm going to go in with Margarita. Oh, that green is so fabulous. I love this green. Guys, I'm actually so chuffed. It's come out so well. I just can't believe this has happened for my first time. I'm really, really pleased. And we are done. So all I'm gonna do now is finish off with the top coat. So now I'm going to remove the tacky layer with the Nail Prep and Polish wipe. Oh yeah. And now to finish off, I'm going to use the Nail and Cuticle Oil. So I've just done my nails for the first time with Mylee, and oh my gosh guys, I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed. I feel like this is going to be my new hobby. I really, really enjoyed it, and it's definitely something I'm going to pursue. I would definitely recommend Mylee to my friends, my followers, my family, just because you've just got so much to choose from in terms of nail colors. You've got all the kit that's provided to you, which makes it super easy for you to do it at home. And it's just really professional, which I really love. The lamp as well, honestly, it's amazing. My look, my way, Mylee. Shop my Mylee look now.